Hey everyone, welcome back. If your BMO balance is not updating, this is usually a sync or a connection issue. First, start by refreshing the app. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen, look for the BMO banking app, swipe it away, fully closing the BMO app. Wait for a few seconds, then reopen it and log in again. Next, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to refresh the connection. Next, if the balance is still outdated, go ahead and log out of the app, restart your phone, and log back in. Then, make sure the BMO app is fully updated. Head over to your app store, search for BMO app, and update it. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes. Also, as balances issue often occur on older versions updated. If recent transactions still do not appear, the update may be delayed on the bank's end. Wait a few hours and check again. And that's it. Subscribe for more